Most recently, the Law's leader, Lettuce K, led an army of 1,000 players to kill Wembu and Flamefrags, the two most dangerous players on the server. But, within hours, Wembu and Flame had slaughtered the entire army.
A few days ago, 1,000 players were killed in the span of a few hours. 1,000 players. That's 10% of the server's known population. They were slaughtered, massacred by the two most powerful players on Unstable, Wembu and Flamefrag.
So what do you think? I brought everything I have, but that doesn't mean we can take on the entirety of the army, dude.
And you're laughing, we're gonna die! We're gonna die and you're laughing!
Wembu and Flame did it, like...
We're not Wembu and Flame!
So any strategy going into this?
Win, bro.